Hi everyone, it's Ashlyn with Northeast Acura, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the center seat in the back seat of your Acura MDX. So this is one of my favorite features in the new 22 Acura MDX. This feature is going to come in every single trim level, including the base trim. There's 3 different ways that you can have the seat in the car depending on what kind of space you need and how much seating you need. So this center seat right here, you can have it up just the way it is if you need this third seat, and you can also fold it down, kind of like if you want a center console style captain's chair. You have your cup holders, tray for all of your stuff. Now, one of my favorite things is if you want a true captain's chair with a walkthrough, it's very simple to remove this whole seat from the car. So first you're going to fold it down just like I did using this pulley right here. Now we're going to go to the front of the seat, and on the front of the seat you'll see this little pulley right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull that out and lift up from the back of the seat, tip it forward, and you'll see a nice little handle right here you can grab onto, and you'll just lift and you can remove the whole seat from the car. Installation's pretty easy. You're kind of just going to do the whole process we just did in reverse. So you're going to come back in, and you'll see 2 little hooks on the front part of the seat. You just want to make sure those hooks go right into the floor where those bars are. Once you're secured there, you just drop it back down and you'll hear it click in. Now, there is an indicator light on the front of the seat right here. You'll know it's hooked in because it will be black. When it's unhooked, it'll be red. So you know that it's secured or not. And then it folds back up, just like that. The seat isn't too heavy, so it is pretty easy to maneuver. And it's really nice that they give you that handle on the back for extra grip. For more information on the 2022 Acura MDX and all of the features it has to offer, visit us online, give us a call, or come down to the dealership to see me.